Arish,
Yeah,
আমার পায়ের রক টান দিছে এখন আমি কি করবো বাবা?
be brave and strong. Don't worry.
Really?
Yes, when I fall down one day to from reach there, then I will be brave and strong. Never cry.
Okay, never mind.
Like that, you have to be brave and strong. A little bit later, your phone will turn to water the screen because it's iceberg.
Yeah.
Okay, let's walk. But today we are finding some rings. Rings have. I get wet in my head. Let it wet. My umbrella get in. But I know we know a jet of smelling of zebra and Jew. Jew that E-R-Z-E-B-R zebra. I know everyone said it would be every apple, but today my hands are getting wet too. So that's why. But don't worry, then have a dirty little one. We have to walk in here. Then the missile have so many people joining for Abu Sahid. So that's why they're going to check the drawings.
Drawing? Where?
Here.
Oh, it's Abu Said?
No, those are those drawings of the mistake. However,
What?
Dad, you step on a caterpillar.
What is this?
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar means?
A worm in Sangha.
হ্যাঁ?
Sangha.
ঠেঙ্গা।
Yes, in Bangla words.
Okay, তারা কি করে?
Those, when you hold, you get itchy and you have to go to the doctor.
Oh my God.
So there is a caterpillar go fast like supersonic. A little bit, and this is going like a slope, and you stepped in. Don't worry, do the right way. We have to kill caterpillars because those are bad for the world.